Will, I was just going to say the bigger issue, which I think is where you're going, is all of this stuff is going to start to converge, right? And by the way, we saw this whole issue play out in a very unique way in the hearing aid business, for example, right? There were lots of folks who wanted to get into that space, make it effectively a consumer product. Your AirPod was going to be, it could be a hearing aid effectively if you wanted it to be. Could you really say that it was? It wasn't. I mean, I think all of these devices that are sort of quasi pro / consumer come together at some point. And the question is how you think the FDA is going to treat all of this stuff.
I think it's important that there's just consistent policies and consistent treatment. The 21st Century Cures Act makes it very clear that features that are intended for wellness are not supposed to be regulated by the FDA. And the FDA should follow that guideline, which is the law. And we've seen the FDA do this successfully with things like heart rate and pulse ox and skin temperature and sleep and respiratory rate. And so in the case of blood pressure, there should be a wellness use case. And that's what WHOOP has put forwards.